Welcome back to Best Reviews, the channel where we break down the latest tech in clean, simple, and detailed rundowns. Today, we're looking at 5 powerful gaming and creator laptops that have been making waves in 2025. Let's jump straight in. Number 5. GIGABYTE Gaming A16 GA6H. The GIGABYTE Gaming A16 is built for gamers who want balanced performance in a portable frame. It features up to an Intel Core i7-13620H processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX laptop GPUs, including options like the RTX 5060 for solid gaming capability. Its 16-inch display comes in WUXGA or WQXGA resolution, both running at 165 Hz for smooth visuals whether you're gaming or multitasking. The wind force cooling system, with dual fans and 3D Vortex air channeling, helps maintain steady performance during long sessions. You also get a comfortable golden curve keyboard, Dolby Atmos audio, and a 76 watt-hour battery rated for up to 14 hours of light use. Number 4. ASUS ROG Strix G16 and G18. The ASUS ROG Strix G16 and G18 embrace modern high-performance gaming design. The G16 can be configured with an Intel Core Ultra 9275HX, offering 24 cores for demanding workloads. GPU options go up to the powerful NVIDIA RTX 5080 laptop GPU, supporting high TGP performance. Its 16-inch Nebula display stands out with a 2.5K resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, 3 millisecond response time, and full DCI-P3 color accuracy. The ACR film enhances contrast while reducing glare for clear visuals. Connectivity is up to date with Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.1, Wi-Fi 7, and a 90 watt-hour battery that supports longer gaming or productivity sessions. Number 3. MSI Raider 16 HX AI A2XW. The MSI Raider 16 HX AI is designed for users who want elite levels of processing and graphics power. It supports Intel's Core Ultra 9 275HX processor, complete with an integrated NPU for AI-accelerated performance in creative and productivity tasks. The graphics configuration reaches NVIDIA's top-tier RTX 50 series laptop GPUs, reportedly up to the RTX 5090, making it ideal for graphically intensive workloads. Its cooling and power system is optimized for MSI's overboost technology, enabling higher sustained TGP for both CPU and GPU during demanding operations. Number 2. Lenovo Legion Pro 7 16 inches Generation 10. The Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Generation 10 brings premium performance paired with a stunning visual experience. One standout option is the AMD Ryzen 99955 HX3D processor, delivering exceptional multi-threaded performance. On the GPU side, it supports up to an NVIDIA RTX 5080 laptop GPU for smooth AAA gaming and advanced creative workloads. Its 16-inch OLED display features a crisp 2560 by 1600 resolution, 240 Hz refresh rate, 500 nit brightness, and 100% DCI-P3 color, producing deep blacks and rich colors. Storage support includes PCIe 5.0 and Gen 4 SSDs, along with RAM options up to 64 GB. Connectivity includes HDMI 2.1, dual USB-C ports, 2.5 Gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 7. The audio system includes 4 speakers tuned with Nahimic for an immersive listening experience. Number 1. GIGABYTE AERO X16 is a lightweight, creator-focused laptop designed to balance portability and power. It runs on AMD Ryzen AI 300 series processors, such as the Ryzen AI 9 HX370, offering strong performance and efficiency for modern creative workflows. Graphics come from the NVIDIA RTX 5070 laptop GPU, and the built-in MUX switch lets you choose between efficiency and maximum performance depending on your task. Its 16-inch 2560 by 1600 display runs at 165 Hz and is Pantone validated with 100% sRGB coverage. ensuring trustworthy color accuracy for creators. Despite its performance, it stays impressively slim at around 16.7 millimeters and light at about 1.9 kilograms. Cooling is handled with the 3D VortX airflow system, and connectivity includes USB 4 Type-C, dual M2 SSD slots, and a battery rated for up to 14 hours of light use. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoy deep dive product rundowns just like this, make sure to subscribe for more tech content.